Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your go-to source for investing tips, stock recommendations, and strategies for building wealth. In this video, we'll examine the 12 best growth stocks to buy and hold for a lifetime, carefully chosen for their promising growth potential and ideal for those looking to amass wealth over time through a buy and hold forever strategy. Before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Experienced investors often stress that patience is crucial in investing, and they're definitely right about that. Being patient means looking at investments for the long haul and not rushing into decisions. The most successful investors take their time, study markets and trends, and only decide after watching things for a while. Being patient pays off big time, leading to more success and stability in the long run. A Middlefield Investments report analyzed the S&P 500's total return from December 31, 1992, to December 31, 2022, splitting it into two parts. Out of the total return of 1,481%, 47% came from dividends and reinvested dividends, while 53% was from the increase in stock prices. This shows that patient investors gain a lot from the compounding effect by investing in companies that consistently pay and increase their dividends over time. The same report from the Canada-based equity income manager also mentioned that dividends act as a strong defense against inflation. High-quality companies often adjust their prices to safeguard their earnings from inflation. This helps them maintain their dividend payments consistently even through different market cycles. It highlights why dividends continue to be a key source for competitive long-term returns for shareholders. On the flip side, other options for yield, like fixed income, can suffer significant losses during high inflation periods. With that said, let's look at the 12 best stocks to buy and hold for a lifetime. Number 1. Meta Platforms Incorporated, ticker, META. Meta Platforms is a market leader in social media and online advertising and is the owner of Facebook, Instagram and other platforms. After 3 straight quarters of year-over-year revenue declines to close out 2022, Meta's growth rebounded to 11% in the second quarter of 2023. Analysts believe that AI technology, the metaverse and Reels are 3 growth catalysts for Meta. Meta is also regaining market share from competitors. The company projects more than $30 billion in free cash flow and 10% revenue growth in 2024. Number 2. Pfizer Incorporated, ticker, PFE. Pfizer is one of the largest global pharmaceutical companies. In the past 2 years, Pfizer has generated impressive sales from its COVID-19 vaccine and booster shots. However, the stock is down 39.1% through October 19 this year as COVID sales have died down. Pfizer's revenue dropped 54.1% in the second quarter, but the company guided for between 6% and 8% operational revenue growth this year, excluding COVID product sales. Analyst Sell Hardy says Pfizer's drug development pipeline has the potential to generate $20 billion in new revenue by 2030. Number 3. Amazon, ticker, AMZN. Amazon has transformed the global retail landscape, emerging as the undisputed e-commerce giant. Its relentless focus on customer satisfaction, continuous innovation, and extensive product selection have propelled the company to unparalleled heights. Amazon's 2-decade-long history of consistent revenue growth has positioned it as one of the most prominent growth stocks in the market. Beyond e-commerce, Amazon has made significant strides in cloud computing through Amazon Web Services, AWS. With AWS dominating the cloud services market, the company has diversified its revenue streams and solidified its position as a leader in the technology industry. Additionally, Amazon's ventures into entertainment, logistics, and healthcare further showcase its ambitious approach to expansion. Number 4. Alphabet Incorporated, ticker, GOOGL. Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google, needs no introduction. As the world's most popular search engine, Google's advertising revenue has been the primary driver of Alphabet's growth. The company's constant focus on innovation and its ability to monetize new technologies have made it an attractive long-term investment. Apart from search, Alphabet has diversified its portfolio with ventures like YouTube, the largest video sharing platform, and Android, the dominant operating system for smartphones. Furthermore, Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving technology division, is positioning itself to revolutionize the transportation industry. With its strong ecosystem of products and services, Alphabet remains an enduring growth stock. Number 5. Tesla Incorporated, ticker, TSLA. Tesla is synonymous with the electric vehicle revolution. The company's visionary CEO, Elon Musk, has driven Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Through constant innovation, Tesla has set the benchmark for EV performance, safety, and range, attracting a dedicated customer base. Beyond its electric cars, Tesla has expanded its offerings to include energy storage solutions and solar products. The construction of gigafactories across the globe enables Tesla to meet the increasing demand for EVs and solidify its position as a dominant player in the clean energy sector. With its ambitious growth plans and continuous technological advancements, Tesla presents an appealing long-term growth opportunity. Number 6. Nvidia Corporation, ticker NVDA. Nvidia is a leading semiconductor company renowned for its graphics processing units, GPUs, which are integral components in gaming, artificial intelligence, AI, data centers, and high-performance computing. The explosive growth of AI applications has driven demand for Nvidia's GPUs, making it a key player in this burgeoning industry. In addition to gaming and AI, Nvidia's GPUs play a crucial role in autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, and cryptocurrency mining. The company's commitment to research and development, combined with strategic partnerships, enables it to remain at the forefront of technological innovation. As the world becomes increasingly reliant on advanced computing capabilities, Nvidia's growth potential remains substantial. Number 7. Square Incorporated, ticker SQ. Square has revolutionized the financial technology, fintech, space by providing easy-to-use payment solutions for businesses of all sizes. Its flagship product, the Cash App, has become particularly popular among younger consumers for peer-to-peer payments and investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Square has expanded its services to include business loans, payroll services, and customer relationship management. As a result, the company has become a one-stop shop for merchants, streamlining their financial operations. Square's commitment to innovation and financial inclusion positions it as a top growth stock in the fintech sector. Number 8. Netflix Incorporated, ticker NFLX. Netflix has disrupted the entertainment industry with its pioneering streaming platform, changing the way people consume media content. With a massive subscriber base and a vast library of original and licensed content, Netflix dominates the video streaming market. The company's strategic focus on producing high-quality original content and expanding its international presence has fueled its growth. As the trend toward cord-cutting accelerates, Netflix's subscriber base is likely to continue expanding, solidifying its position as a top growth stock in the media and entertainment sector. Number 9. Shopify Incorporated, ticker SHOP. Shopify has democratized e-commerce by providing businesses with an easy-to-use platform to set up and manage their online stores. The company's user-friendly interface and extensive suite of tools have attracted a wide range of merchants, from small startups to large enterprises. The pandemic's acceleration of e-commerce's rapid growth has been a significant positive for Shopify. As more businesses transition to online selling, Shopify's revenue and user base have surged. Moreover, Shopify's investments in augmented reality and fulfillment centers further enhance its growth prospects. Number 10. Adobe Incorporated, ticker ADBE. Adobe is a global software company that has become synonymous with creativity and digital marketing solutions. Its suite of products, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, are essential tools for designers and marketers worldwide. Adobe's transition to a subscription-based model with its Creative Cloud services has been a key driver of recurring revenue growth. Additionally, the company's expansion into digital marketing and analytics has strengthened its position in the enterprise software market. As businesses continue to invest in digital transformation, Adobe is poised for sustained growth. Number 11. Archer Daniels Midland Company, ticker ADM. Archer Daniels Midland Company is an American food processing and commodities trading company, based in Illinois. On November 1, the company announced a quarterly dividend of 45 cents per share, which was in line with its previous dividend. The company holds a 50-year streak of consistent dividend growth. As of November 19, the stock has a dividend yield of 2.43%. Number 12. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, LOW. Lowe's is an American home improvement retailer. The company operates a chain of retail stores specializing in home improvement products and services catering to DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals. On November 10, the company declared a quarterly dividend of $1.10 per share, which fell in line with its previous dividend. Its dividend growth streak stands at 59 years, which makes Lowe one of the best stocks to hold. The stock has a dividend yield of 2.16% as of November 19. Investing in buy and hold stocks with a long-term perspective requires careful research and a commitment to riding out market fluctuations. The 12 stocks discussed in this video exemplify companies that have demonstrated robust growth potential across various industries. However, investors must conduct their due diligence, monitor market conditions, and consider their individual financial goals before making any investment decisions. Long-term investing is about staying patient, staying informed, and having confidence in the companies you choose to hold forever. By building a well-diversified portfolio of strong growth stocks, investors can position themselves for the potential of substantial wealth accumulation over time. We'd like to thank Moomoo for sponsoring this video. And as a limited time special, Moomoo is offering up to 16 free stocks and a cash reward. When you open a brokerage account through our special link, Moomoo will give you up to 16 free stocks. This is a limited time offer, so click on the link in the description to get your free stocks today. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buying stocks or investing in the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.